finally winter time, and this sucks. Alright guys, welcome to a new video. So we're starting winter. It sucks. Yes, I have a new haircut. The thing, I will explain my haircut in just a few moments during this video. But in general, I cut my hair because I do swimming. I do swimming competitions. So, you know, less hair, less drag on the water. So, but anyways, so yeah, you know, get used to it for having my hair like this. So yeah, we're starting winter off. Snow everywhere. It sucks, but we still have to do the machines. Car is trying to, as much as it can, to warm itself up. It depends on each car, but for mine it's important because I don't know if you watched the previous video where it has a transmission problem. So my mechanic, that wasn't my my understanding, but my mechanic, they recommended to warm up the car before driving. You know, depends on each one, on each person, I know, but for me that's what the mechanic told me, so I'm gonna stick with that because I'm not a professional with that. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna do just 2 machines today, and yeah, you're gonna see exactly how I deal with the snow and stuff. So yeah, welcome. This is how you take off the snow during winter. I know it's not the only video you've seen for this. You know, there's a lot of videos of, you know, how to take off snow, but you know, I put the tarp and that's what I do. So remember popcorn, mostly in winter time, always sells, so make sure to add popcorn in your vending machine. It's going to be very important. Alright, and now we're on machine number 1. Sales were pretty good. A lot of stuff sold. Okay, so one more thing I also wanted to explain when you're doing this during winter is when you put the boxes here. Look how dirty it is. So make sure that if you're gonna put it there, make sure to have something to cover with, because if not, your products are gonna get stained. Because when it's snowing, it gets rough, it gets dirty. So make sure to put something to cover and don't get your products dirty, because that's what you're gonna sell. All right, and that's about it for both two machines. Both cash collections for both machines were significantly low compared to other days. For the cash collection, just cash and coins, it was 145, and then for the credit and debit sales were 115. So for the credit and debit sales, it was pretty low, but in total, it was $260 for that specific week. So like I said, I just did two machines. It wasn't my whole route, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty cold today, but you know, it was pretty fun. Other than that, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.